Good morning to everyone. I am Sina Gipiquero and my part is flight delays. So there are two kinds of delay. So delay is the result of deferment of flight to a later time. So we have two delays which are terminal delay and tarmac delay. Terminal delay and its consequences. Terminal delay occurs while passengers are still inside the terminal waiting for boarding. So, ang terminal delay kuno is ang mga passenger is napasa kanang inside the terminal. So, rights of passenger if there is terminal delay for 3 hours. So, in case of terminal delay for at least 3 hours after the estimated time departure, whether or not such as attributable to the carrier, a passenger shall have the right to. So many mga kanang right sa passenger if naay delay nga mahitabo. First is be provided with refreshment or meals, like for example sufficient snacks, breakfast, lunch or dinner as the case may be, free phone calls, text or emails, and first aid if necessary. And the next is kanang rebook or refund his ticket or be endorsed to another carrier. So na sila'y kanang rights nga mo rebook o magpa-refund sa ilang ticket. Next is the rights to the passenger if there is terminal delay for 6 hours. If the terminal delay extends to 6 hours after the estimated time of departure because of the fault of the carrier, then such flight is considered canceled. So if madelay ko no ang flight of 6 hours, it means diha is canceled na ang flight. Therefore, the rights of the passenger as to canceled flights shall be applied to the passenger. So ang tarmac delay is mo ni ang kanang refers to the situation where aircraft is forced to remain on the tarmac. So ang tarmac is mo ni ang runway. So kanang ang kalahian sa terminal o tarmac, ang terminal is ang mga passengers napas terminal. Ang tarmac ang daan na sa airplane ang mga passengers. Na delay ra siya because of the mga maintenance or mga kanang weather, kitay mga foggy ja na 101. So, mo na ang definition sa tarmac. A tarmac delays refers to a situation where an aircraft is forced to remain on the tarmac or the runway for an extended period of time. Typically, more than 3 hours due to various reasons. Mo na ang mga reason. Weather conditions. For example, ang katong motor, heavy rain or bagyo. Aircraft traffic control, so air traffic or technical issues, and third is mechanical issues, mo ang technical problems, repairs or maintenance, and ground handling issues, mo ang delays in loading or unloading cargo fueling. So that's all. Thank you.